स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।
Hello my dear friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one-stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Mars transit and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. But firstly, let me tell you about Mars. Mars is considered harmful in Vedic astrology. Mars represents the element of fire, hence also Mars represents qualities such as physical energy, self-confidence, ego, anger and courage. The bad effect of Mars can cause high or low blood pressure, muscle and bone disease. With the good effect of Mars, person gets physical and mental strength. This time, debilitated Mars will transit in Cancer between 2nd of June to 20th of July 2021. Let's start the journey of future prediction along with some remedies which can give you auspicious results. Dear friends, let's start with the fire, that is Aries. Your business will get little peak and your idea will get success. Job people will do well in the field. Your energy will increase and you will also be able to use this energy well. There is also a possibility of increase in the income of some of the natives. You may also face challenges in married life. Your spouse may be angry with you about something. If you want to overcome their displeasure, then do not argue with them. Let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. Business partners may have some misunderstandings between them. Try to solve that with smartness. You will do better at workplace. Your partner may get success in the respective field. You will also increase your respect in society and you will dominate your opponents. You should not get involved in unnecessary disputes at this time. Your younger siblings may have health problems, so take special care of their health. Now let's move to Twins, that is Gemini. Online marketing and trading business may go up and will see great success. The economic side will be very strong. Students should avoid wrong association and concentrate on your studies as much as possible. If you are facing problems in any subject of the course, then talk to your teachers. If you are a married person, your spouse may be hurt by your words during this time. You can be aggressive even in family life and your behavior can hurt family members as well. Health needs to be focused at this time. Your wrong behavior can give you mental stress. Dear friends, now let's move to Crab, that is Cancer. You will be able to achieve good results on the strength of your courage, even in odd situation. You will get good results in the field. Your good efforts will take you on the path of progress. You will like to spend most of your time between books. An increase in your anger and ego can also be seen. Use words thoughtfully while talking with your spouse. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. The financial side may be a little weak. Your expenses may increase, due to which you may also face mental troubles. Try to do well in the field and avoid gossiping. Learn to take time for yourself in the busy life. You can go abroad or in metro city to get a job or higher education. There is a need to be careful even in the marital life or love life. Your spouse health may decline. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. During this time, business persons can benefit from work in which they did not expect to get success. People will occupy the field of work. Your opponents will not be able to stand in front of you during this time. You will not have financial troubles and money will come from some other sources. There may be some difficulties in marital life or love life also. Natives in love relationship need to be honest with their partner. You will get good results in social life. You can go for a short trip with your family or friends. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. Business persons can invest money in a startup or in expansion of business. Job people will get good results in the field. Your good work may come in the eyes of the boss and you may get a promotion. Students will also enjoy playing online games more than studying at this time. On the family front, you need to be very careful. There can be a situation of debate about something in the house. You should try to control your speech. There may be obstacles in the lives of the people who are in love. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Your business will bloom because of your smartness. You will get success in the field and some of you can also change jobs. Students need to take a positive attitude towards education. If your mind is not able to study, then take help of yoga or breathing exercise, some kind of meditation also. You will get benefit. Your relationship with your father can deteriorate and his health can also be seen to decline. Relations with siblings can get worse. So keep your important behind and talk to them. Your attitude towards religion will be good during this time. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. If you are planning for new business strategy, then go for it. New job or transfer is expected in this period. Do not violate the rules if you drive a vehicle. You may feel that people are misunderstand your words. Your health can also deteriorate. So pay more attention to your health at this time. You have to take special care of your father's health also. If he has any minor problems, take him to the doctor if need. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. Industries related to web developer, application developer, technology or consultancy will do really well. The field will not be very good. You will get good results only after hard work with smart work. Students should stay a little away from friends or else it can have a bad effect on your studies. There may be some challenges in your family or love life. If you are single, then you can be attracted towards someone. Personal or professional trip is expected. Now let's move to Water, that is Aquarius. Business persons need to think on the schemes they are trying to implement. Your performance in the field will be normal, although you will dominate your opponents. Students need to stay away from friends who waste your time. It is better to spend time alone than being in the wrong company. Family life will continue as it is going on, but you may have to face a lot of problems in the marital life. Now let's move to Fish, that is Pisces. People associated with the job profession will get benefits in the field. Your income may increase. This time will be a bit difficult for students. You will be distracted from studies. Your children may have health problems, so take special care of them. There will be happiness in married life or love life also. Your spouse may get unexpected benefits. Those who have already fallen in love should sit together and talk about their problems with their partner. Personal or professional trip is expected. Dear friends, now I am suggesting some remedies which can bring smile on your face and give auspicious results. Consume honey first thing in the morning. On Tuesday, the native suffering from Mars should recite Hanuman Chalisa. Red coral is the gem of Mars for positive energy, so it will be auspicious to wear it. Donate red colored bell fruit, a native Indian fruit, to make Mars strong. Dear friends, it was my analysis for Mars, debilitated Mars transit. I will also be available for you to solve your problems, but I would advise stay home, stay safe. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. At the end, all I want to say is today is your day to start fresh, to eat right, to train hard, to live healthy, and to be proud. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.